a day in the life of a Premcrete inspector. We headed out at the crack of dawn to get to the Hyde, and they didn't have anything to inspect, so we just spoke to the site manager and gave him a tin of biscuits, because maintaining good relations with site managers is just as key as the inspection. Then we headed over to Taxi House, and as you can see here, someone's using the Hyproprufe LG. Then Clive did a lot of pointing and looking at things. We walked across some rebar and did some more pointing. Afterwards, we logged all the inspection photos into our very own Premcrete QC app-based portal. We then moved over to Mayfair. It's a 5-storey basement housing 7 swimming pools. That's Mihail, by the way. He recently joined our site inspection team. Really high-profile job for Premcrete. And we stood on some rebar for a while whilst looking at some more concrete. We found some people using the Hydroseal FX, and they're doing a great job with it. After that, we headed to 9 Elms, a bit further across London. Here you can see Clive advising best practice on how to install the Twinseal GR, which is the whole point of these visits. It's very important that our customers are comfortable in how to use each product. We then looked at the rest of the site to look at further Premcrete products to make sure they're being used correctly. And the building you can see in the background here is the American Embassy, if you're interested in that sort of thing. Hyproprufe was our last location for the day. They still at an early stage with their build, so Clive was there to give some training about how to use Premcrete product correctly, and just to check whether or not they had all their product which they needed to actually do the job efficiently. So after this, we headed back home, and it was a great day inspecting some really high profile projects for the company.